Hello, my friends. Today we are going to draw Chase from Paw Patrol. Let's get started. At first, I draw his nose. Then I draw his eyes.
Wag that tail, our doggy's here, running by our side, spreading endless cheer. In the park or at home, we love to see you roam. Oh, our faithful friend, you make our hearts your home. With the nose that sniffs and paws that run,
Then continue his
you make
mouth.
fetch so much fun in the shining sun. Rolling in the grass, chasing butterflies, underneath the blue sky, reaching for the skies. Woof woof, wag that tail, our doggy's here, running by our side, spreading endless cheer. In the park or at home, we love to see you roam.
Then I am going to draw his cap
Oh, our
right
faithful
here.
friend, you make our hearts your home.
Then I draw his ear.
You teach us lessons of loyalty and grace, with those big soulful eyes.
And let's add a
that
detail.
furry face.
He has that
No
badge on
matter
top.
the weather or time of the day, you make us smile and chase our worries.
And now let's
away.
finally connect his neck area.
Woof, woof, wag that tail, our doggy's
Then
here,
I draw
running
his
by
body.
our side, spreading endless cheer. In the park or at home, we love to see
Then I
you
am going to
roam.
draw other
Oh,
badge.
our faithful friend, you make our hearts your home.
I draw his legs. And his paw.
Through thick and thin, you're always by our side. In this doggy love, we take so much pride. We'll give you treats and cuddles for you. We'll
Let's
always
continue
care.
his leg and his paw.
Doggy, our buddy, you're beyond compare. Wag that tail, our doggy's here, running by our side, spreading endless cheer. In the park,
Add
or
some
at
detail.
home, we
Let's
love
complete
to
his
see
leg
you
and
roam.
paw.
Oh, our faithful friend, you make our hearts your home. So let's celebrate our furry faithful friend with this song of love, may it never end. In a world of furry friends so true, with wagging tails of every hue, they bark and play in sunshine's light. Let's sing a song of pure delight. Woof, woof.
Then I draw his bag.
Running, chasing, having a ball, in the park or by the shore. Our doggy friends we adore.
And finally, let's finish his tail. Let's coloring Chase eyes. Black color. Brown color.
In company of friends so dear.
Black color.
Running, chasing, having a ball, in the park or by the
Yellow color.
our doggy friends we adore. Through every season,
Dark blue color.
shine, these loyal pals are always fine. In their eyes, love always gleams. In the world of doggy dreams, they teach us lessons simple and kind, with love and loyalty intertwined. No matter where we go or roam, our
color.
So let's sing this song, hand in paw, for the friends who fill our hearts with awe. In the world of dogs, they stand so tall, our canine companions, the best of all. In a world of wagging tails, where puppies play, there's a furry friend who brightens up your day. With floppy ears and a joyful bark, let's sing a song for our doggy, our loyal
Red
spark.
color.
Woof, wag that tail, our doggy's
Sandy
here,
brown color.
running by our side, spreading endless cheer. In the park or at home, we love to see you roam. Oh, our faithful friend, you make our hearts your home. With the nose that sniffs and paws that run, you make fetch so much fun in the shining sun. Rolling in the grass, chasing butterflies, underneath the blue sky, reaching for the skies. Woof woof, wag that tail, our doggy's here, running
Burnt
by
sienna
our
color.
side, spreading endless cheer. In the park or at home, we love to see you roam. Oh, our faithful friend, you make our hearts your home.
We are almost done, my friends.
Teach us lessons of loyalty and grace. With those big soulful eyes and that furry face, no matter the weather or time of the day, you make us smile and chase
His nose is
our
black color.
worries away.
Gray color.
Woof woof, wag that tail, our doggy's here, running by our side, spreading endless cheer. In the park or at home, we love to see you roam. Oh, our
Pink
faithful
color.
friend, you make our hearts your home.
Red color.
Through thick and thin, you're
Green
always
color.
by our side. In this doggy love,
Purple
we
color.
take so much pride. We'll give you
Yellow
treats
color.
and
Do you
cuddles,
like
for
colorful?
you will always
Sky
care.
blue color.
Our doggy, our
Good
buddy,
job, my
you're
friends.
beyond compare. Wag that tail, our doggy's here.
Thank you for
running by
watching.
our
See you in the
side,
next video.
spreading endless cheer. In the park or at home,